The brain, a complex and adaptable organ. The human brain is a marvel of complexity, an intricate network of billions of neurons working in harmony to control every thought, action, and emotion. It is the command center of the body, constantly processing information, solving problems, and adapting to new challenges. Unlike any other organ, the brain possesses an extraordinary ability to change and rewire itself, a phenomenon known as neuroplasticity. This adaptability allows us to learn, grow, and recover from setbacks. However, as we age, the brain is not immune to decline. Memory lapses, slower cognitive function, and an increased risk of neurodegenerative diseases can all be part of the aging process. But the good news: there are ways to slow down and even counteract these effects. Factors influencing brain aging: lifestyle and experiences. The choices we make every day play a crucial role in determining how our brains age. A balanced diet rich in antioxidants and essential nutrients supports brain function, while regular physical activity promotes oxygen flow and neurogenesis, the formation of new brain cells. Quality sleep is another key factor, allowing the brain to clear toxins and consolidate memories. Chronic stress, on the other hand, can accelerate cognitive decline, making stress management techniques like mindfulness and meditation invaluable tools. Social interaction is equally important. Staying connected with others strengthens neural pathways and enhances emotional well-being. Additionally, our unique life experiences shape the brain's aging process. Learning new languages, traveling, or engaging in creative hobbies all contribute to maintaining a sharp and resilient mind. Brain plasticity, the power to change. Brain plasticity, or neuroplasticity, is the brain's ability to reorganize itself by forming new connections throughout life. This means that, regardless of age, we can improve our cognitive function by engaging in activities that challenge the mind. Puzzles, reading, and problem-solving exercises keep neural networks active, while learning a new skill, be it playing an instrument, painting, or coding, stimulates different regions of the brain. By stepping out of our comfort zones and continuously seeking intellectual stimulation, we can reinforce cognitive strength and delay the effects of aging. The science of brain health, protecting and enhancing your mind. Science has uncovered several effective strategies for maintaining brain health. Regular exercise, such as aerobic workouts and strength training, has been shown to enhance memory and protect against cognitive decline. A diet rich in omega-3 fatty acids, leafy greens, and whole grains supports brain function. Engaging in cognitive training exercises, like memory games and strategic thinking tasks, helps sharpen mental acuity. Stress management techniques, including deep breathing and mindfulness, reduce harmful cortisol levels, which can negatively impact brain cells. And perhaps most importantly, strong social connections contribute significantly to mental resilience. Having a close-knit support network not only provides emotional security but also stimulates the brain through meaningful conversations and shared experiences. Unlocking your brain's potential, age gracefully and thrive. Aging is inevitable, but how we age is within our control. By making small, intentional changes to our daily routines, we can foster brain health and longevity. Stay physically active, nourish your body with brain-boosting foods, challenge your mind with new learning opportunities, and nurture meaningful relationships. These simple yet powerful actions can help maintain cognitive function and enhance overall well-being. The brain is a lifelong work in progress, capable of remarkable transformations. With the right habits and mindset, you have the power to unlock your brain's full potential and embrace the journey of aging with confidence and vitality.